Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. A few weeks ago I did an unboxing of a Christmas tree ornament from Onedaysaving.com. Unfortunately it was cracked and I couldn't do it. So I contacted them and asked if they could send a replacement so we can see how it should actually look. So they have done that. And today I will be unboxing Christmas Tree Ornament number 2. So just in case you didn't see that original video, this is the package that arrived, but what I want to do is let you see what the problem was. So I'll move this to the side just now and I'll show you what I received last time. So this is the box that came, and it was a bit bashed, so I was sort of fingers crossed that everything would be okay. I'll have to take all this stuff out. I'll show it again when I do this one. Just put this all to the side. This is what I was expecting, but you can see it was cracked, so it wouldn't work. The idea is it's going to be a Christmas tree on a stand that you can sit on a desk or a table and have it as a little decorative piece over the holiday season. Because it's cracked, it won't take the weight and it would just fall over. So as I said, I got in touch with Onedaysaving and asked them if they could send a replacement. So they have. So we'll put all this to the side. We'll go back to the grey bag. So Onedaysaving are a budget friendly company, and as with all of these companies, they don't come boxed. The diamond paintings and any accessories come in these bags. They don't come in a protective box. So this is the package I received, but when they contacted me they asked if I would be interested in this other item. So the other item is also in here, and I can tell it's in a box here. That is not what I'm going to review today. I want to get the box that's underneath. So I just need to find my scissors, and I'll move this across a bit, I think. I'll cut the bag open. Make sure I cut it all the way because it's quite a big box that's inside. So we don't want the big box. We want the one that's underneath. Now, you can already see that this is open, and again it looks like it's had a pretty hard time with the postal service. We can only hope that it is okay. So rather than going through the whole thing, which I did in the previous video, what I'll do is I'll send a link if you want to see that video and how things went. But today the main thing that I'm interested in is the Christmas tree complete? So here we have it, and I'm looking at the back and it is complete. So we can carry on. So as I said, the box has been damaged. You can see the top was open, it's been sort of flattened, but it hasn't been hit in a way that the plastic has been broken. So I'm just getting everything out. So it comes with the basic diamond painting kit of the pink pen, the green tray and the pink wax. So absolutely standard. Again, I went through all this in the previous video, so I'm just really going to skip quite a lot. And as I said, I'll put a link and you'll be able to see the other video. And then we get special drills. We get a pack of special drills, If you are new to diamond painting and you don't know what special drills are, they are very different from the normal round or square. They can be various shapes, as you can see. They can be pretty big as well, and these normally go with what they call partials, and that's what this is. So we have these letters and numbers. In fact, I think this is just letters. So the letter refers to each bag. So we'll take this one since it was loose, and this is bag A. So what we do is we look at the picture and we look for all the A circles. So these drills go on the A's, and then we have different drills. The bags are lettered, not numbered. So we would have like bag B would be these ones, bag C would be these ones. So it's just a matter of looking over it, finding the correct symbol and putting the drill on. The drills are picked up as normal with the pen and the pink wax. So if you're totally new to diamond painting and maybe just thinking about doing it, this is a good way to get started. It gives you practice of using the pink wax and the pen. It doesn't take a long time to do these. The only areas that are glued is where the letter is. It does have a clear cover to stop anything sticking to it. Try and find the best way so I can pull it back. So all of the areas with, well, we do have numbers and letters. So all the areas, these little circles that you can see, have glue on them. And if I can tilt it in the light, you can see the glue. So for example, this area, this sort of triangle here, has no glue on it. So you can see. So the idea is basically you put them on the correct symbol or number and you build up the picture. It gives it extra sparkle, extra bling. It can look really nice, and it doesn't take a long time. That is the main thing. So it's a good one for somebody who's totally new, maybe thinking about taking up diamond painting, just wants to get a bit of practice to see what it's about. Good one for kids as well. Doesn't take too long. It's not going to take weeks or months to finish. So they can get a little try, basically look for all the B's. So you could make it a game if it's younger kids, and then you can actually do it and just ask them to point out the 5s, the B's, the C's, whatever. So a bit of fun that way as well. So the idea is that once you place all the drills on it, you've got this base and it has a slot in it. I don't want to push it in because it might be really tight and I might not be able to get it back out, so I'll still have to actually do it. But this goes in the base and then it stands up, so you can put it anywhere on a table or maybe even in the office to brighten up the office. But just a little Christmas decoration, something that's quick and easy to do. The base is pretty thick, so it's quite heavy, so it'll hold this no problem. You can just sit it on a table in the corner of the room. The light reflects off the drills, makes it nice and shiny, just adds a little bit extra to that Christmas spirit. So as I said, I've done a more sort of in-depth review earlier, and the problem I had was it was cracked. So this time I'm very pleased to say that it worked fine. So I'll just put the kit here, put the drills here, and that is it. So this is a Christmas Tree Ornament from Onedaysaving.com. What I'll do is I'll put a link, a direct link to this one. The Christmas trees come in various designs, so you might find another one. There's quite a few, I can't remember, I think it's about 6 different styles. So you can pick one, whichever one you prefer, and you can give it a try. I will also put a link to the website, and you can have a look at all the diamond paintings they have. They have round drills, square drills, special drills, partials, everything. Pages and pages and pages of diamond paintings. You can filter, so you can search for just square or just round, or diamond paintings of cats, for example, or diamond paintings of landscapes. So a lot of things that you can filter it down to the type of things that you would be interested in looking at, rather than looking through page after page after page trying to find, for example, cats. So it saves a lot of time, and you can get directly to what it is you're interested in. So I'll add a link to the website, and you can have a browse. So that is it. Very pleased to say that this one actually came complete. The next video I'll be doing will be the extra package I got that they asked if I was interested in it. I had a quick look at it and thought, I've never done anything like that before. So if you want to find out what it is, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. So that was the replacement of the Christmas tree ornament that was unfortunately damaged the first time. Very pleased to say that it was fine the second time. The box had been sort of pushed around a bit, but thankfully it made it in one piece. As I said, I did more of a review with the first one. I went through all of the drills and stuff, so if you want to see that, I will add a link and you can have a look. I think it is a nice little corner piece to sit in the corner during the holiday season, add a little bit of sparkle. I think it's a really good one for the kids to try, or you can work together with the kids if they're a bit younger and just ask them to point out the different numbers or letters or whatever it is, and you can place them, or maybe give them a shot at doing it, that type of thing. Just a bit of fun. So something a bit unusual, I think, for Christmas. I'm sure a few people would ask where you got it. So just something a bit different. As I said, I think there are, I think it's something like 6 or 8 different styles, so you can pick whichever one suits you best. And there are a lot of other things on the website. Diamond painting is just part of it, and obviously that's the area that I'm interested in. You can search for basically anything you want. If you decide that you want particularly round drills of flowers, for example, so then you will just get pictures of round drill kits with flowers. They also do diamond painting accessories as well, if you're looking to get something else to add to your diamond painting collection of bits and pieces. You can have a browse through for different things like pens and trays and wax and all that sort of stuff. So it's definitely a site that you're going to spend a bit of time looking at, and hopefully you find something you like. So I will add a direct link to onedaysaving.com, and you can have a look at that as well. So that is it for today. A bit quicker than normal, but I didn't really see the point of going over the whole thing twice. So as I said, there will be a link. You can have a look at the original video if you want to see more. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, or find out what the extra box was, as I said, it's something that I haven't done before. It caught my interest and I thought, yeah, that could be quite nice. So if you want to see what it is, please remember, subscribe, notification button, and you will get a message when it comes up. It will be my next video. So that is it. So thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.